macOS Big Sur and now the latest version of macOS Monterey are filled with several features and functionality. However, not all of them are prominent and obvious to the user, as you can find many hidden settings and features buried inside different apps and preferences menus that will improve your user experience. In this video, we are going to see about 10 hidden features and settings on macOS Big Sur and Monterey updates that you might not even know existed, even if you are a long-term user of macOS. If you open the folder named Other in the Launchpad on your Mac, you can find an app called Keychain Access in there. While the app's primary purpose is to save all your passwords and any digital security certificates, it could also be used for creating and storing secure notes. This feature is handy if you share your Mac with someone else and want to store secret notes and documents on your computer without them knowing. To create a secret note, just head over to the Keychain Access app on your Mac and then click on File, New Secure Note item. Once you have entered the contents and saved the note file, it will automatically be protected with a password. This will be the same password which you use to unlock your Mac, and even if anyone opens the Keychain Access app, they will only be able to see the title of the note and they won't be able to see the contents until and unless they know the password which you use to log into your Mac. Pretty cool trick, right? The accessibility settings section in the System Preferences app is filled with handy features that would benefit anyone, but especially people with special needs. One such feature is hidden under the Spoken Content tab, and once you enable the Speak Selection option on this page, any text you select on your Mac will be read to you aloud in the voice of your preference. The best part about this feature is that you can customize the voice that reads the content aloud and even change the rate and volume at which it speaks. Once you have enabled this feature and modified the settings according to your preference, you can then highlight any content on your Mac and use the shortcut Option plus Escape on your keyboard to have your Mac read the content to you out loud. I enjoy using this feature a lot, and it is especially beneficial when you want to read a lengthy blog post or an article while doing something simultaneously. It's kind of like having a podcast or an audiobook.
Super Leap Day is the latest addition to the game library of the Apple Arcade subscription, and it has...
So that's how it works, and similar to having a podcast or an audiobook, but this is a feature that could be used for literally any topic on the internet. The Image Preview app is probably one of the most underrated and underutilized apps on a Mac. Most people just use it to view images or sometimes to share or view details about the pictures. But the Preview app has so many features built inside that it could act as a full-blown image editing app on its own. To use the hidden features, open any image and then click on the View menu and then select the Show Markup Toolbar option. The toolbar has several useful tools like a smart lasso, magic background selection and removal tool, image editing options, and even the ability to add text directly to the image, which could be used to quickly create meme format images right on your Mac. My favorite feature is the magic wand icon that can be used to instantly select and remove backgrounds or objects from your photos, or cut an object from an image and then place it on another, all by just using the Preview app. Just select the wand icon and then drag across the image on which the background you want to remove, and then just click OK and the background will be instantly removed. You can then copy and paste that background on any image you want and use it for whatever purpose. Did you know that you can actually customize the folder and external drive icons on your Mac to basically any icon or image you want? It is pretty simple as well. All you need to do is open the image or icon you want to use as a folder icon and then use the shortcut Command plus C to copy it. You can select any part of the image and copy it. And then now, right click on the folder or the drive's icon you want to change and then click on the icon at the top and use the shortcut Command plus V to paste and instantly change the folder icon. You can also delete the icon if you don't like it by just simply selecting the icon and then hitting the delete button on your keyboard. How simple is it, right? While not a useful function, this one is a cool one to know about and also to look at. When you're playing any song from the Apple Music app on your Mac, you can use the shortcut combination Command plus T on your keyboard to view a psychedelic light effect video that automatically reacts and changes lights according to the current song that is playing in the background. You can even use the same shortcut combination to exit from this visual effect, or click on the window menu and select the visualizer settings to change it to a different effect. How cool is this effect, right? Make sure to check this out when you're listening to a song using the Apple Music app the next time on your Mac. If you ever wanted to send multiple images or PDF files as a single file to someone, you probably use an online tool or an app like Adobe Acrobat. However, you can directly merge several PDF or image files directly on your Mac without having to install any special application. To do this, first you need to open the PDF file which you want to send to someone. Once you open the file from the preview app on your Mac, then click on the View menu and then select Thumbnails option. After that, click on the plus icon in the bottom right corner and then select the Insert Page from File option and then select and open any file you want to attach to the document, and repeat this process as many times as you want to add as many files as you want. Once you have finished adding all the files, just save the document by going to File, Save As and then giving it any name you want and then save it as a PDF document. After you hit save, you can then share this file to anyone with all the files attached. If you have an iPad and as long as your Mac and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and are signed into the same Apple ID account, you can use your iPad or even your iPhone to draw on your Mac. To do this, open any document on your Mac and then do Ctrl plus right click on the document and then select the option Add Sketch from the pop-up menu. A drawing board will now automatically open on your iPad or iPhone based on what you select. And once you have finished drawing your sketch on your iPhone and iPad, you can use your finger or any stylus or Apple Pencil or whatever you want. And then once you've finished the drawing, just hit done on the top and then the sketch will then be instantly added to the document on your Mac. This is a quick and an easy hidden trick, and even I found out about it just a few days back. If you ever wanted to rearrange the icons on your Mac's menu bar, just hold the command key on your keyboard and use a mouse or trackpad to lift and place the icons in any order you want on the menu bar. Similar to your iPhone or iPad, even the keyboard on your Mac can be programmed to show autocomplete suggestions as you are typing the words. You can use the shortcut combination Option plus Escape on your keyboard while you're typing to get auto suggestions for words on your Mac. If you use Siri often on your Mac, then you might appreciate the existence of this hidden feature. First, head over to Siri settings from the System Preferences app and disable the voice feedback option from here. Then, whenever you ask Siri something, it will just show the results instead of actually speaking them.